More than 16 million foreign nationals visited the country in 2024, marking a 50% increase from the previous year and nearly returning to pre-pandemic levels, according to the Korea Tourism Organization.
지난해 우리나라를 찾은 외국인 관광객이 1,600만 명을 넘어서며 전년 대비 50% 증가해 코로나19 이전 수준을 거의 회복한 것으로 나타났다고 한국관광공사가 밝혔습니다.
Yeah, so 16.37 million to be exact. And like the headline says, that's a 50% jump from the previous year, 2023.
Right.
And if with these tourism figures, a lot is compared to the pre-pandemic levels. So 2019 and before, we're just about at that level. So 94% of 2019 levels. So you could say that the tourism industry here has nearly recovered to pre-COVID-19.
Yeah, because during COVID, the travel industry saw virtually nothing happening.
Almost
right?
literally. I
Yeah.
think 2021, it barely even reached 500,000 in Korea. And obviously,
Sure, 'cause no one was traveling.
No one was traveling, quarantine restrictions, things like that. So if you want to break it down by country, just looking at last month, December,
Yeah.
2 months ago now, China was the number one destination for incoming tourists, as followed by Japan, Taiwan, the US, and Singapore. And on the flip side, the number of South Koreans going abroad last year reached 28.69 million, which is well above pre-pandemic levels now.
Yeah.
So outbound travel has definitely surpassed 2020 levels.
You know, can we stop for a minute and think about, the pandemic and COVID?
Yeah.
And now we can casually talk about it
Sure.
as if it's something in the past. But during those couple of years, it felt like it would never end.
It seemed like an eternity.
It did. And it really was life-changing for so many people, for the globe as well.
Absolutely.
I knew a couple of people who had to travel because of business during the time. And every time they needed so much paperwork, to prove they were healthy and able to travel to certain places. And the rest of the world was pretty much stuck at home.
In hindsight, it's almost laughable that we had to live through that. But of course, during the times, it was absolutely necessary to try and curb the spread of this deadly virus. But it does. In hindsight, we can't believe we all lived through that.
I know, exactly.
Yeah.
자, 그래요. 코로나 이전 수준 거의 비슷하게 지금 우리나라를 찾은 외국인 관광 수가 굉장히 많이 늘었습니다. 지금 이 표현들 그럼 한번 볼까요? Returning to pre-pandemic levels부터 보겠습니다.
So if you're returning to pre-pandemic levels, we're talking about using COVID-19 as a benchmark. And oftentimes because that period of time in history is really an anomaly, right? And so especially in the tourism industry, like I mentioned, this we sort of want to use this point in time as a benchmark to compare whether we've recovered or not from that time.
Exactly. Pre-pandemic levels. 많이 본 표현이죠. 팬데믹 이전 수준, returning to pre-pandemic levels. 그 수준을 회복하다. And foreign nationals?
Yeah, a foreign national, if you want to look at the dictionary definition of it, it's a person who is not a naturalized citizen of the country in which they're living. In this case, we're talking about tourists or incoming non-Koreans. But without, of course, getting too much into immigration law, foreign national is a term that's often used in these circumstances when we're talking about people in citizenship and incoming non-Koreans.
So the difference between a foreign national and a foreigner could be that this person maybe, looks different or was born in a different country, but has a Korean passport.
Right.
In that case, they could still be a foreigner, but a Korean national.
Sure.
But a foreign national is someone who holds a passport from a different country.
Right. So for all intents and purposes, a foreign national, foreigner, they can be interchanged.
Yeah,
but when you talk foreign national, you get the sense that we're talking specifically about immigration and travel and citizenship.
네. 일반적으로는 그냥 다 foreigner라고 통용을 하지만 이제 아주 엄밀히 따지자면은 foreign national은 외국 국적을 가진 사람이 되겠죠. 그다음에 이제 더 우리가 테크니컬하게 얘기한다면은 alien
Yeah.
이라는 표현도 쓰기도 합니다.
Yeah, that's definitely technical. And, I've made my opinions be known about the word foreigner in
Yeah,
general because foreigner has that sort of 이방인,
이방인 느낌이
sort
있어요.
of.
맞아요.
So, I like to say, a visitor to the country or a guest,
okay.
I think that's a little more softer, euphemistic.
사실 우리가 워낙 많이 쓰기 때문에 이 단어의 뜻을 간과하기가 쉬운데요. foreign이라는 말은 사실 낯설다. 이런 의미가 있어요. 형용사로 썼을 때. 그렇기 때문에 foreigner는 나랑 너무나 다른 사람, 이방인이라는 뉘앙스가 단어 안에 원래 있어요.
Yeah, it becomes an us versus them sort of
맞아.
situation.
우리랑 다른 사람.
Yeah.
이 뉘앙스가 있을 수 있기 때문에 그래서 이제 셰인 선생님이 요 미묘한 차이가 있다. 그래서 이제 foreigner보다는 그냥 visitor.
Yeah.
이렇게 쓰는 거를 선호한다라고 하셨어요. 참고만 하시면 될 것 같고 그러나 이제 우리가 일상 대화 속에서는 워낙에 foreigner라는 말을 많이
Sure.
또 쓰다 보니까 괜찮습니다. 자, 다시 한번 제가 읽어볼게요. More than 16 million foreign nationals visited the country in 2024, marking a 50% increase from the previous year and nearly returning to pre-pandemic levels, according to the Korea Tourism Organization.